row number 9, connection stitch into the first arch, a raising loop, and a single crochet into the same arch, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, and 1 more single crochet into the next arch. 2 single crochet together in 2 arches after 3 arches in this row. Again, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch, 4 loops, 2 single crochet, 1 in the next arch and the other one into the next one. This way we form the square. We continue 4 loops, a single crochet into the next arch. So continue please till the end, and I will show you how to connect the end. In the end of the row, we finished the last arch with a single crochet, and we have to make a connection to the first single crochet in the beginning of the row into the top of it. This way we made this side more flat, this and that, and corners are more visible. In each part we have 3 arches of 4 loops, and that was the simple row. Okay, see you on the next row.